Hi, I'm Michael, a level student of Amando College, and I am here to discuss with you wordplay and Rebus puzzle. But before that, let me discuss to you what is wordplay. Wordplay simply means a game of words used for amusement. And there are many types of wordplay, such as tongue twister, pangrams, and Rebus puzzle. But before that, what is Rebus puzzle? Rebus puzzles are basically little pictures often made with letters and words which critically represent a word, phrase, or saying. Example in the screen is the most famous and that even a 2-year-old kid can answer. The answer for this picture is I love you. The next picture will be an image of a word fast but with broken lines. So the picture will give you an answer, break fast. Next is an image of note and an image of a book. The answer for this will be notebook. Next example is two-word marry in an equation form. Understanding this picture will give you an answer, summary, because of the summation of the two-word marry. But what if you were given an example or you were to solve a different or a difficult Rebus puzzle? So part of my discussion is to give you guides. First of the guide is with the use of positioning. In positioning, it is the positioning of letters of the word. Example for this is this word that is in scrambled letters. The answer is scrambled eggs. Next is with the use of highlighting. In highlighting, draw attention with the use of arrow or underlines a specific word. An example for this is 3 words lady, but the first word lady is highlighted and with the use of arrow. So the picture will give you an answer, first lady. The next guide is with the use of direction. In direction, word is spelled in any direction other than the usual left to right. So you need to understand the picture. An example for this is the word breed in a cross direction. So the answer will be cross breed. The next guide is with the use of size. In size, there is an unusually large, small, big, or wide letters are used. That will be your clue. Next of this example is the word talk in a small font, so or in a small size. So the answer for this is small talk. Next is with the use of number. With the use of number, using the sounds of the numbers close to an English word. So in an example is the use of words blade in a number series 1, 2, and 3, but there is no blade in the number 1. So the answer for this is no one to blame. The next guide is with the use of colors. With the use of colors, you need to understand the picture with the colors. So different colors of words and symbols leads to the clue. For example, here, other parts of the picture are color blue, and the center part is the word once. The picture will give you an answer, once in a blue moon. Next is with the use of sound. With the use of sound, very often Rebus puzzles are phonologically cryptic. So in this example, you just need to pronounce every letters of this picture, like X, L, and C. So the answer will be excellency. Next is with the use of image. With the use of images definitely form part or most of the clue. So in this picture, there are 3 same images of a heart, but the other image is apart from the 2 hearts. Understanding this picture will give you an answer, heart to heart. And I hope you have learned from me, so I have provided an assignment for you to work with. The assignment will be, please search more examples and create a long note in a Rebus puzzle form. That would be all. Thank you and God bless.